Hey everybody, in this video we are using half angle identities to find the exact value of, in this case, tan of 15 degrees. When you are prompted to use the half angle identity, or you know you need to use it because the angle in question is half of an angle you're familiar with, perhaps one from the unit circle, the first thing you need to ask yourself is the angle in question, in this case 15 degrees, is half of what angle? 15 degrees represents the half angle. What angle is your variable, theta in this case, that we are solving for? So 15 is half of what angle? In other words, 15 is theta over 2. Solve for theta by doubling both sides, and we have that theta is 30 degrees. So the question asks me to find tan of 15 degrees. I have three options for tangent of a half angle. They are as follows: plus minus the square root of 1 minus cosine theta over 1 plus cosine theta, as well as keep the top 1 minus cosine theta over sine theta, as well as keep the bottom as 1 plus cosine theta and change the top to sine theta. So all three of these are totally fine. I love the one that looks like a heart most of the time, so I'm going to choose that one. I know I'm using 30 degrees. Maybe some of you are at this point better at radians, so don't forget 30 degrees is also pi over 6, and it's this angle that's right over here on the unit circle, the one that's sort of closest to the x-axis. You're going over a lot, you're going up a little. You're going over, or cosine is root 3 over 2, and you're going up a little, or your sine is 1/2. So let's go for it. So that right there, I'm going to use 1 minus cosine 30 degrees over sine of 30 degrees, which equals 1 minus root 3 over 2 over 1/2. Hamburger style, bun around the top and bottom, multiply it by my lowest common denominator, which is 2. Distribute that to the numerator. Quick and dirty, clean it up to, oops, not plus. Where's the white out? Well, it's not here. Minus, sorry. 1 minus, or 2 minus, sorry, root 3 over 1. So really, 2 minus root 3. Now, you might ask yourself, is that a positive or negative answer as a check? Clearly, 15 degrees in quadrant 1, we should get a positive answer. 2 is the square root of 4. So square root of 4 minus square root of 3. Is that positive or negative? It's positive. So we are good to go. Final tan of 15 degrees equals 2, take away root 3. I hate when I kind of make it that little minus touch the root. Try not to do that. I try to use that. Try not to use that because we're doing so many plus and minuses. You know what I mean? So that is the end of that example. Watch it again. Try it again. Do what you got to do. So if you get it, got it good, happy you know it, thumbs it up. Not so much, thumbs it down. Questions, comments, concerns, requests in the comment section. Check the description box for more. And there's a click through to a playlist full of higher level trig identity problems. And click for the next video if that is what you're doing. Adios.